Hari Om. Let's sit together to practice self-healing meditation of Bharat Yoga, which will help us not only in healing our physical problems and mind-related issues, but also in releasing some suppressed emotions within our system. So sit quietly, take a comfortable position. If you can sit in cross-legged position, or you can sit in a stable posture for 10 minutes, then fine, otherwise take a back rest. Let's begin. Sit in cross-legged position, eyes closed, spine straight, and face absolutely calm. Keep your palms in comfortable position, palms facing towards sky, preferably kept on your thighs or knees. Detach yourself from the outer world. Bring your awareness inside you and focus on the most important aspect of your physical existence, your breath. Focus on the natural flow of your breath. Do not breathe in or breathe out forcefully. Just observe the natural flow of your breathing. No forceful inhalation, no forceful exhalation. Just focus on the natural flow of your breath. Absolutely normal. Do not get indulged into your breath. Be an observer and just observe it. When I inhale, what happens within my system? When I exhale, what happens within me? Just observe it. Now, take 3 deep breaths. When you inhale, feel the positivity going inside. Exhale, all the negativity is leaving. One more deep breath. Inhale, feel the flow of oxygen going inside, nourishing my system, making my organs healthy, helping in calming my mind. Exhale, let all the waste, all the carbon dioxide leave my system. One more deep breath. Inhale, feel happiness and bliss going inside. Exhale, feel all the sorrow, all the pain, all those suppressed emotions leaving you right here. Relax. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your posture straight but not stiff. Now, just like you controlled your breath, just like you were able to focus on your breath, similarly, you are the master of your mind. And just like you put your mind to your breath, you are able to take your mind wherever you want. So slowly observe each and every part of your body, from your toe till the top of your head. Look at your toes, heels, ankles, calf muscles, knees, thighs, hips, perineal organs, waistline, spine, lower back, middle back, upper back, abdomen, chest, shoulders, arms, elbows, wrist, palms, fingers, neck, throat, face, cheeks, chin, teeth, tongue, lips, nose, ears, eyebrows, eyes, forehead, head. Relax. Now, with your closed eyes, visualize each and every part of your body healing. Each and every part of your body absolutely relaxed. Each and every part of your body self-healing itself. Be aware of your self-healing potential. Right now, in this moment, your body is absolutely relaxed. Your mind is calm. And your mind is under your control. Take your energy wherever you want healing to happen. Take your energy to that particular part of your body where you need maximum healing. Let your inner energy heal that organ of your body. My body is becoming healthier. My organs are healing. I can feel the repair happening within my system. I can feel my knees getting better, my perineal organs getting healthy, my digestive system becoming more strong, my respiratory system becoming more clear, my heart is absolutely healthy, my back pain has completely gone, my neck is relaxed, my thyroid gland secretions are happening perfectly, my skin is glowing, and there is no traffic of thoughts in my brain. I'm not worried about my past. I'm neither thinking about my future. Right now, in this moment of bliss, I'm enjoying each and every moment of self-healing. Stay quiet for a few couple of seconds. Let your system repair. Let your system heal. Do not hold any thought or any emotion. Just let go of all that which no longer serves you. Let go of any suppressed emotion. Let go of any thought that's troubling you. Surrender and let go. Just let go. Let go of all that which is not required, which no longer serves me, so that you can feel the lightness of emptiness. Again, take 3 deep breaths. Inhale, and this time feel more positivity going inside because I have made some room, made some space for it. Exhale, let all that which no longer serves you release. Inhale, let all the health go inside. Exhale, let all the toxins release. Inhale, feel the flow of oxygen getting better in your system, flow of blood getting better in your system, nourishing each and every organ of your body. Exhale, let all the toxins release. Now stay quiet for a few couple of seconds and just observe whatever just now happened within your body, your mind, and your soul. Bring your awareness to my voice. My body is becoming healthy. My mind is absolutely calm. I can feel this feeling of happiness within me. I can feel some enlightenment just happened through the practice of Bharat Yoga. Now join your hands in gratitude. Be grateful to Paramatma for choosing me to be on the path of Bharat Yoga. Be grateful to Paramatma for blessing your life with wonderful human body, this heartbeat, this breath. Be grateful for everything you have in this wonderful life. Join your hands in gratitude and let's chant Om. Take your time. When you are comfortable, gently rub your palms. Place your palms on your eyes and then slowly open your eyes. Have gratitude for what you experienced today. Have gratitude for Bharat Yoga, for this great Guru Parampara. Gratitude for your Guru. Gratitude for everything. Lots of love, light, and blessings. Hari Om.